Hi, it's Martin W. Bull, your Kangen water guy. Today talking about the K8 e-cleaning tanks. Now for those of us who bought a K8 maybe 4, 5, 6 plus years ago, we would have received this e-cleaning tank. And this green e-cleaning tank has served a great purpose, but one of the things that Enagic found out was that when we filled it up and we put the citric acid in and we gave it a good shake for around about 30 seconds, and then we put it in the ionizer in the chamber down here, what was happening was sometimes it was leaking, releasing some of that cleaning solution out. But also, as you will know, for those of us who have this tank, one of the things that was happening was this suction pipe, when we put it in the fluid, would sit up in the air. And therefore, it would suck so much and then it would stop sucking at all. So what we've got is, when we put it in the when we put it in the tank right now, you can see it's going down into the bottom corner. And I'll go a bit closer there. Go right down into the bottom corner. Well, one of the things that Enagic found out was that they needed to improve the cleaning situation. So they created this new e-cleaning tank. So a lot of the K8s from probably 2 years to the present time have got this new tank in. And if you do happen to have the old green tank, you can contact Enagic and get a new one. If you send this back to them, I believe that they exchange it for free. Might be just worth though buying a new one based on shipping. So what you'll notice here is that the lid is on the top, and therefore we can fill it up with water. We can then put the 2 sachets of citric acid in, put the lid on, and let me just put the lid on. He says, there we go. Put the lid on, give it a good shake. What you'll notice is that the suction pipe is actually in its own little cavity, if you will. So it's always down in the bottom corner. Therefore, it's always going to be sucking from the bottom corner, the lowest point, to get that cleaning solution into the K8 to help the e-clean function correctly. So that's the difference in regards to the 2 cleaning tanks, and something to be aware of. As I said, if you've got the old one, I upgraded to the new one. I've never had an issue with the e-cleaning. I actually have a K8 e-cleaning video which talks through exactly how to do it, some tips and tricks in that video, a brand new video. And also things, like I always say, make sure these tanks are clean as possible. Give them a good rinse after you've used them. Get a damp cloth, wipe inside the chamber gently, very carefully, to make sure there's no buildup in there and everything's working efficiently. And you should never have an issue with your e-cleaning. So that's a quick video there. Thank you so much for your time. Drop your comments below based on the value you've received. I always look forward to responding to people. Thank you for your time, and I'll speak to you again soon. Bye for now. Enjoying my YouTube channel? Please make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell to receive further value.